All right, here we are, another job. We got a little retention pond we're gonna be cutting out. It's maybe half acre, 3/4 acre, I can't remember. It's been a while since I looked at this thing. And got a lot of sweet gum. That's all sweet gum right down here in the bottom. Got some pine up there. Just mostly trash, trees. Everything's gonna be coming out of it. It does look like it's a little wet down that area, so hopefully it won't be too bad, but we'll have to see when we get in there as we're working. This is the high side of the pond, and then the outlet and everything is down here at this end. But we're gonna be doing that and then trimming up around this fence here. So there's a fence here and there's a fence on the other side, and we just got to go in there and kind of beat it back and get it to where what is growing won't be encroaching on the fence and stuff like that. There's about right here to, sorry, it's too fast, to the corner is the area we have to do by hand. Everything else we can get machines in. This one little section right here is just quite a bit of hand work. But so we're gonna start with the pond and then do the fence later as we get going. But so here we go. We're gonna see what we find in this one. Well, here in just a few minutes we make quite a bit of progress. Willie pulled that stuff off the hill. We got Josh over here cleaning out rock section, and I'm gonna go through and do what I'm doing is I cleared this half off first, and we got trucks and all kinds of stuff over here, trucks and trailers and equipment up on this top side of this hill. So I'm gonna come in this way and go that way, shooting just in case anything flies out, you know, any debris or just a safety precaution. I don't want to go up at it straight into it like this. You know, I want to try to run alongside the hill, parallel it. So that's my plan. don't know if you can see that. That's a probably 6-inch concrete, well, steel with concrete in it, pipe. They're probably used for barriers. Yeah, there's some right here. Run them over. People see retention ponds as a dump zone as well. Gotta watch out for that stuff. Really get that out of there, and then I'll run through that again. All right, so I got pretty much everything roughed out. Got a little bit more to chew up in this corner right there on that bank, and then we're going to back drag the whole thing. I'm gonna work my way out going this way. There is a ton of trash up along that edge on that side. So we're just, Josh is kind of just, what I ended up doing, so I cut everything going this way, and then, so I got the majority of it down, and then I finished it off going up and down. So we didn't have, you know, a lot of, there's a few sticks here and there, but it's not absolutely horrible. But, see, like some people might ask, oh, why didn't she come in from the grass edge and, you know, go this way into it? The tracks and everything, you know, we had tore up a lot of the grass, you know, this way. But my only entrance going on the grass is right up there, and that's how I like to keep it. Try to keep it clean and neat, and if I tear it up, I gotta fix it, so I don't want to tear it up. I'll take a few more minutes and stay in the pond and go, you know, work my way out of it, kind of thing. You know what I mean? But so we're gonna finish off this little corner, and then back to drag my way out of here. Well, I just got it all back dragged out, and that's the spot right there. Only spot where I really disturbed the grass when I came up and turned and went back out that way. But you can see there is a ton of trash. Well, this is definitely the first for us where we take the leaf blower and blow up all the trash that's in there. That's just ridiculous. But that's what happens. I guess these big parking lots and stuff, it just all gets blown into here. But so So we're gonna get all this picked up, and then we're gonna work on the fence row up through here. Well, here we are, day 2 in this job. There's our retention pond right there. It's all cleaned out, and we did all that yesterday, all the fence up there, kind of making our way over here. It's all roughed out. Guys are getting this stuff out over here on this side, and that's the end of it right up in there. So got a little bit more left to do, not a whole lot. So we're having to carry this majority of this stuff out here. It's coming out by hand. That's all right, it's not too bad. Whatever's left, we're just beating it back, just kind of keep it off the fence for them.